Hello, children. How are you? Hope all are doing good at home. Yes, today we are going into a new topic called symmetry and patterns. So, first, we are going to see reflection. What is reflection? When you look into a mirror, you can see your face. Your face is reflected, we say. You can see your face on the mirror. So, that is called as reflection. So, here are some reflection in nature. So you would have heard about the greedy dog and the lion which fell into the river on seeing its image. Like that, few stories are there. This is what is natural reflection from water. See, this water reflects this crow, this lotus, and this mountain. This is the nature reflection, and like that, this dog looks at itself on the mirror. This is through mirror. Even the hand is reflected through the mirror. This is what is reflection. Okay, reflection is the same image is shown in the opposite side with one edge. Let that this end be the edge, or this be the edge of the mirror. So it is at the same distance. It is exactly reflected. Okay, so the reflection may be of two types. One is vertical along the vertical line. Another one is horizontal, that is along the horizontal line. So if it is like along the vertical line like this, it is vertical reflecting along the vertical line, and this, like this or along the horizontal line, it is reflecting along the horizontal line. Now we have exercise in this. For these, we are going to find the image which is reflected. So once when it is reflected, it is called as image. Okay. So when it is reflected, it shows in the opposite direction. It shows opposite direction. See here, it shows in the arrow mark shows in the left hand side. Here it is right hand side. Yeah. So yes, it is a reflection. We will have to tick the reflections of each other if it is correct. Yes, this is right. This both are on same side. So no, we won't put tick on this. Here, yes, this is in the opposite direction. Yes, right. This this in some other way. So it will not. So wrong. No. Then this one, yes, exactly it shows in the opposite way. And even this, yes. So when you are seeing your face, whole body on the mirror, you will be able to see your right hand to be the left hand and left hand to be the right hand. Just check it out. So that is what is in the opposite way it reflects. Okay, even now in the second exercise, you can see they are asking for two R's which reflect along the vertical line. The vertical line this way. So this will not come. This and this no will not come because in the some other way. So I feel this one and this one. Yes, correct. Now this among this along the horizontal line, that is from top to bottom, it reflects. This one along the vertical. This so the second one, yes, and when it is reflected, this one, correct. So like this it happens. Just you take down, you work it out in your book, page number less exercise 12a. All this, look at this and keep your book while doing this. While watching this video, just you all do together. Okay, along with me. And next is this one. This one will be a bit confusing, but be careful in doing how I felt I am doing. If you feel some other way, you can just try it out. Okay, I feel they're asking for vertical line, two images which reflects vertically. You just put V, and two images which reflects horizontally, you put H. So this is the first set. the bird. So I am trying, I feel this one and this one are horizontal reflection through this horizontal line, and these two are through this vertical line. Okay, it's your wish. Even the chair, you have two sets. Even this one and this one looks was along the horizontal, but also this one and this one looks horizontal. You can try it out. If you feel like that, you can work it out. It is all our own thing. And here this one and this one vertical. Okay, so this dog also, I feel this one and this one is along the horizontal line, and these two along the vertical line, and these jug is horizontal, this and this along the horizontal, and vertical this one and this one along the vertical line. Okay, so next is line of symmetry, that is symmetry, second topic. Yes, as image is given, when you divide it equally, so that, say for example, when you take this particular shape and fold it exactly along this line, the one side overlaps the other, that is one side, this one part covers exactly the second part. Then it is said as symmetrical figure. So here if you fold this one also, you will get exactly the same set, and this triangle also. So this line be the folding line of symmetry. Okay, this line of symmetry be the folding line, which gives you the exactly the same overlapping figure, which no extras or nothing will come. So that is known as symmetrical figure. Okay, so you have the line of symmetry. So the line of symmetry is a line which gives the, what to say, when it is folded, you get the same when you cover it, or when you fold it, you feel the overlapping of the image, that is no extras will come off, exactly it will merge each other. So that is what is the line of symmetry. Okay, so another set we can see. So along the rectangle you have two line of symmetries, whereas for square you have one, two, three, four lines of symmetry, and even for circle we have four lines of symmetry. Not only four, you have countless number of symmetries are there for circle, especially because of circle has got many lines of symmetry along with each other. Okay, so that is countless. For circle alone we can say. So shall we see an exercise into it? Yes, this is what is the exercise for this. So here they are asking you to put a tick for the shapes which exactly gets a line of symmetry. Yes, first one no, because one side some other thing and the other side some other thing, so when it will not overlap. This one, yes, it will overlap. This one, no. This one, yes. This one, yes. This one, no, because it will not overlap. And here they are asking you to put the line of symmetry. So I am putting here one, two lines of symmetry I will get, so I am putting here. And here for this only one. Okay, that's it. And next is for the figures, for the shapes, they are asking for put a line of symmetry, a line or lines of symmetry. Here I will get only one line of symmetry. Yes, then tick mark. Here this way, yes, tick mark. Here this way as well as this way, tick mark. Tree, no, you won't get it, because tree will grow to its different shape. Butterfly, yes, straight line is a vertical line. Correct. Tick. Then for flower alone, we get many lines of symmetry like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, put tick for this. Then the reflection of this each image, they are asking this exactly opposite side. Yes. This one opposite side exactly. Yes. This one, this side, the same figure we'll have to draw on the opposite side. This one like this side. Yes, this one. Okay, you'll have to do all this exercise in your note. Keep it in mind. Sorry, in your book, in your textbook. Then tessellations. What is meant by tessellations? Is a geometrical shapes without overlapping. They repeat a pattern. So like this honey bee, it is in nature. We have honeycomb. When it is in the shape of, just now we read in geometry, what is this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon shape. And then pineapple is also comes under nature. This art and architecture, this flooring, tiles. And these are the shapes usually we use for triangle or whatever it is, the patterns which follows or patterns which repeat. So this is all triangles repeating with two colors, this squares repeating with two colors, and this is hexagon, and this is also different shapes. This is arc, a circle, polygon, like that we'll get. Okay, now here they are asking you to they are asking you to write the shapes used in this tessellations. This is what type of tessellation is this they are asking. So first one is with square and triangle, shall I say? Yeah, this line full of squares and this line full of triangles. Square, triangle, square, triangle. So I write square and triangle. This one is only with triangles. So triangles. This one all curves coming. So it is curves. With this one, we can't say particularly a shape which shows like Ashoka tree or some like that. So it's your wish. What you find, what you feel like writing, you can write. But here I have written in nature, tree, like a tree. Here it is a square inside a circle. Yes. And here it is the concentric circles. What up to what I know, what I feel the figure I have drawn. But if you feel some other shape, you can write that also in your book. In this exercise 12C, your own thinking, your own innovation. Okay, if your own innovations are welcome always for this. And now this is they are given the even last year we have done this. They'll be giving you the style and you'll have to give your own shape with the own color with a different pattern. So like this they have started here. You'll have to follow and complete the full pattern. So I have done, I'll show you. Yeah, this is what I have done. You can complete like this fully. And then in this they are asking you to take a square chart paper of side 30 centimeter. So side 30 centimeter means all the four sides 30 centimeters. Then which will suit, which will exactly could you will get in on these three they are asking. So exactly it will be square because square has all the sides equal. So the tile you have chosen on the thick sheet of paper, cut it out and create a tessellation. They are saying pattern on the chapter on the chart paper where you are able to. Yes, we'll continue this with the next video mark. I'll completing till this in this video. Okay, part 2 follows this. Thank you, children. I'll discuss this third question with you in that video. Thank you.